Alright, we're here with our Alcort Super Sailfish Jaja. We did a leak test and we had a lot of bubbles coming out of this little seam between the deck and the side, so we're going to go and dredge it out with this multi-oscillating tool by DeWalt. Little round blade on it. What it does, it just vibrates the blade back and forth like 2 degrees at 8 bazillion revolutions per minute, and we'll just go right down that seam and clean it up a little bit. We've already done a little section. Kind of hard to do one-handed, but so we'll just, for demonstration purposes here goes. So I go, took me about 2 minutes to go down the starboard side over here. I'm going to come back and with the syringe inject some thickened epoxy in there.